I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the essentials out of the way quickly. Install or update Google Meet, then sign in with the Google account you'll use. Once signed in, grant mic and camera permissions so audio and video work immediately. Next, tap the meeting link sent to you or open Meet and enter the meeting code. When the preview shows your video, choose whether to turn camera or mic off, then tap Join to enter. This gets you into the meeting with basic controls ready. Once you're in, focus on controls that keep the meeting smooth. Tap the mic and camera icons to mute or disable video quickly and enable captions if you need live text. Move to grid or pin views to prioritize participants. Tap the three dots menu to change audio output, adjust video quality to save data, or switch cameras. When presenting, choose present screen or a file and confirm. Once done, tap Stop Presenting. These actions help you to finish, tap Leave or End Call. Organizers can end for everyone if needed. If audio or video fails, first toggle mic/camera off and on, verify Meet has permission in phone settings, or switch between earpiece, speaker, and Bluetooth. Restart the app or phone if issues persist. For poor quality, lower video resolution in settings, move closer to a strong Wi-Fi signal or switch to cellular, and close background apps to free CPU and bandwidth. These steps resolve most common problems fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.